Good morning everyone. Today we'll discuss about Article 19. Article 19, which is Recommendation 164 and Convention C155. So Convention C155 and Article 19, which is the Recommendation 164, which clearly indicates the workers' responsibility and rights. So the workers' responsibility and the rights, which is clearly mentioned in the Article 19. What are the responsibilities over there, and what are the rights of the workers? So we'll discuss on that. Okay. So workers' responsibility and rights, Article 19 of C155 state that all workers and their representatives have to cooperate with their employer so that they can fulfill their safety obligations. Okay. So in safety obligations, which is clearly recommended by Recommendation 164, which provides more detail on the general duties. Okay. So Recommendation 164 says that workers should be able to take reasonable care. So while working, you have to take the reasonable care. Reasonable care means what? A lab system, as low as reasonably practicable. So you have to take reasonable care while you are working with the machines. You are working with the equipments, the other rotating machineries. So while working, you have to take care of your own safety and the safety of other people. So it is very important, take a reasonable care while you are working in your workplace. Okay. Then comply with safety instructions and procedures. Whatever the safety instructions which is given from the HSE officers. Okay. And SOPs, standard operating procedures, that you need to follow while working in your company. Okay. These are the mandatory instructions which is given from the HSE people, from the senior, the management system. Okay. These are the things which is very important while working in your company, while working in different industries, in iron factories, medical companies, chemical companies. Wherever you are working, you have to always follow standard operating procedures, safety instructions. Okay, with a reasonable care. Then use all safety equipments properly and not tamper with it. Whatever the equipment which you are using, you have to use it in a proper way, and do not tamper any equipment. Once your work finished, secure your tools and equipments in a proper way, and then get back to your outside of the company. Okay. Report any situations which they believe could be a hazard and which they cannot themselves correct. Yes, it is again very important. If you come across related to any hazard, it is your responsibility while working. You have to inform to your HSE people, HSE officer, safety officer, ERT team, emergency response team. So if you come across related to any type of hazard, maybe it is electrical hazard, maybe chemical hazard, maybe high work hazard, confined space hazards, whatever the hazards, if you come across, immediately you have to report to your seniors, okay, or the HSE team. Then report any work related accident or ill health. Yes, if you come across related to any incident, maybe near miss, maybe minor injuries, whatever, if you come across related to the incident, accident, again it is your responsibility. You have to inform to your team members, ERT team or HSE team. These are the roles and responsibility and rights which is clearly written in Article 19, Recommendation 164 and Convention C155. This is the part of NABOSH, which is element 1.1, which covers Article 19 and Recommendation 164 and Convention C155. Understood, everyone?